Whew, smells divine. Oh man, you see all this goodness, right? You see it? Man, I can't wait. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're gonna be smoking some beautiful poor man's burnt ends. Oh man, on a Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be smoked to perfection. It's gonna be seasoned to perfection. It's gonna be tender, juicy, and moist. And today we're gonna be using some beef stew meat to do it. Now, hopefully they're gonna come out the way that I'm thinking it's gonna come out. So as I always state, as you're watching, I am learning. So y'all stay tuned and we're gonna see how this turned out. Okay guys, so time to turn the power on. And we're gonna open the lid and wait for the smoke to come through. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we got rolling smoke coming through. So we're gonna close our lid and we're gonna crank our temperatures up to 275 degrees. And we're just gonna set it. And we're just gonna wait for this to come up to temp. Alright guys, as you see, we're running at 285 of this one. We'll be running at this particular temp for the last 15 minutes. Oh man. But let's take a look at our beautiful poor man's burnt end, seasoned to perfection. Oh yeah. So we're gonna place that beautiful beef stew meat that we're gonna make to poor man's burnt end into here. I wish you could smell the aroma, the smoke flavor. Oh man, that classic blend right now that I'm smelling, the hickory, the pecan, the mesquite. Oh man, it smells divine right now. Whew. It's beautiful for some beef burnt ends, especially poor man's burnt end, guys. So guys, let's talk about step-by-step process of what we did so far. We took our beef stew, we cleaned it off nice and clean at our sink. We got rid of any excess debris that might be in the packaging itself, just to make sure that it doesn't contaminate our bodies. And while it was still wet, we took some paper towels, we dried it off nice and clean, and then we still had a little bit of moisture left on the beef stew itself, so we didn't need any binders whatsoever. We seasoned up nice and beautifully with some beautiful Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. Man, I heard this some good stuff, and I got this from Costco for less than $6. And I tried this on some ribeye steak, guys. Man, oh man, this is packed with flavor, guys. Definitely give this a shot. And of course, I gotta stick to my Pit Boss family, and we got some beautiful applewood bacon. Whew. This is also some good stuff, guys. With this beautiful combination, guys, it's going to be so good on these beautiful beef stew poor man's burnt end, guys. So we're going to smoke this to perfection. We're going to make sure we got to that nice consistency, that color, and I'm assuming this is going to take about an hour or two, because like I said, it's stew meat, beef stew meat at that. So we want to make sure we've got that particular mahogany brown color that we're looking for, and then all we're going to do is take them off, wrap them to make sure that we can tenderize the meats itself, break down the fibers. And all we're going to do, guys, we're going to hit them with a little bit of parquet, which is my favorite to go to butter, and that's going to be it. We're going to be seasoning it, wrap it back up, and throw it back right here on this Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. So the total cook time, I'm assuming, is going to be about 3-4 hours, maybe 5. We'll see. But y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright guys, we're running a little high right here, as you can see, but that's due to the auger feeding the pellets, and as you can see, it just dropped back down. So it's maintaining temp, and it's been about an hour. So let's take a look at our beautiful, oh man, poor man's burnt ends. Woo! Look at that, guys. Oh man. So what I have right here, guys, is a little bit of leftover apple juice that I used from my previous rib cook that I just did this weekend. So what I'm gonna do, let's spritz it a little bit just to give her some moisture. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've been running about 285 at this point. It's been about 45 minutes at this particular moment. Let's take a look at our beautiful, Oh man, mahogany brown color on these beautiful poor men's burnt ends. Take a look at that, guys. Holy smokes, that looks so good right now. Oh man. All right guys, time for me to pull these babies off and wrap them nice and tightly. Alright guys, as you can see, the numbers just dropped because we just had the lid open, and we're just going to crank the temperature from 275 all the way to 325 and let it set. Alright guys, so let's take a gander real quick. And as I always say, please be careful when you open any type of pouch such as this one with the foil and it's steaming. You don't want to burn yourself. See the steam? Oh yeah. Take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Man, they are looking good, guys. All right, let's see what they're looking like. All right. This one is not that bad. Well, you see, they're not that tender yet. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this back up. We'll see you back in about half an hour on my time, but next video clip on your time. Alright ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it's now nighttime over here on the East Coast, and we've been running about 320 to 325 for a good 2 hours at this point. I know from the original radio clip we said about another half an hour, but it turned out to be 2 extra hours. And we're gonna take a look at our beautiful Foreman's burn-in. So I'm gonna take this off, and then we're gonna definitely check it out. And guys, don't mind the chicken. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a peek. Oh man, wasn't that beautiful? Oh yeah. All right, so let's do the poke test. Oh yeah, yeah, that is done. All right guys, so it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what? The taste testing. Oh man, take a look at this beauty right here, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but wow. Take a look at that. Oh man, look, it just falls apart. Take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that smoke ring. Oh man, wow. You know what, without further ado, let's give it a taste test. Wow, see the smoke ring, guys? Bam. Oh man, wow, this is phenomenal. Even my granddaughter wants some right now. I mean, I'm gonna give it some because it's hot, you know, in the morning, but it's hot right now, so she gotta wait. Man, I'm gonna finish this off. Wow, the flavors are definitely coming through. That Kinder's buttery steakhouse. Wow. You can definitely taste the Pit Boss applewood bacon. It's definitely that nice hint of sweetness that you get from it. It's very, very subtle. And the classic blend of that smoke flavor from the hickory, the pecan, and as you can hear my granddaughter in the background, along with the mesquite, is definitely shining through right here in these beautiful poor men's burn-ends made with beef stew meat done on the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart, guys. Wow, truly amazing. It's just simple as that, guys. Oh man, I'm going to finish this off with the rest of my family because everybody's waiting in the background. And as you can hear, my granddaughter, once again, she's like, hurry up, Grandpa. So, guys, I'm going to finish this off with my family. You know, if you like barbecue and grilling, this is your channel right here. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And until next week, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.